Raymond, Ferrisburg, Pottersburg, Somersville, Byhalia, Broadway, and Essex. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County until
Portage County in northeastern Ohio, southern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near South Russell, or 12 miles south of Chardon, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include South Russell, Middlefield, Burton, Parkman, Hiram, and Bainbridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Geauga, and Portage. This is NOAA Weather Radio KDO 94 originating from the...
Okay, this I was not ready for.
Biden numbers and the DNC beat the Trump numbers for May for the first time, and so I think that the enthusiasm...
This I was 100% not ready for.
HM! High-profile vice presidential pick coming online in the next month or so, and I think
That came out of nowhere.
that enthusiasm number up a bit.
I say that because my IEM bot wasn't even ready. I was in the middle of a freaking high game. Swapping over now.
Despacito!
Don't sing Despacito. Box, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay. You guys can see that I'm in a Discord call with these two people. And don't ask why
Bob's
picture has a picture of Gordon Ramsay with no nose right there.
It's beautiful.
Much like
This
her.
is the day of the SVRs.
Okay, alright, so far so good. That's gone off again. That's gone off, that's gone off. This is gone off. Alright, perfect. Oh, just the bathroom door. At least this one activated properly. It activated as a 1-hour event, whereas my 262 downstairs activated for a 6-hour event.
Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include South Russell. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, northwestern Beaver County in western
I would have
Pennsylvania,
known after seeing that
southwestern
special
Warren
weather
County
statement.
in western Pennsylvania, northeastern Hancock County in northern West Virginia until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Calcutta, or near East Palestine, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Industry, New Waterford, Big Beaver, New Galilee, Wilmington, Rogers, Georgetown. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Columbiana, Ohio, and Lawrence, Pennsylvania. Urgent weather message.
I called it.
Yeah.
The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Portage County in northeastern Ohio until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Manaway or near Ravenna, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Garrettsville, Manaway, Windham, Hiram, and Wayland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Portage, Ohio.
Storm warning.
The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Richland County, central Ashland County.
Oh, it's coming right at us.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mansfield, moving north at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Hayesville, Perrysville, Lucas, Jeromesville, Richland, Nagin, Williamsburg, Shenandoah, and Owensburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland and Richland. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm
Come on,
warning
Radio
for
Shack.
Huron County, Erie County, northeastern Summit County in northwestern Ohio, southeastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Green Springs to near Bellevue to 9 miles northwest of Plymouth to New Willard, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Norwalk, Western Vermilion, Bellevue, Clyde, Willard, New London, Plymouth, Northern Milan, Wakeman, Castalia, Greenwich, Monroeville, Berlin Heights, North Fairfield, Flat Rock, Bloomingville, Sandusky South, and Birmingham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Huron, Sandusky, and Seneca. This is NOAA Weather Radio WMG 698 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland.
Why do you hate me, Radio Shack?
Where?
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from the islands Ohio to Willowick, Ohio, open waters from the islands Ohio to Willowick, Ohio, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles south of Sandusky Bay to 11 nautical miles southwest of Huron to 24 nautical miles southwest of Western Vermilion, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Huron, Western Vermilion, Avon Point, Lorraine Harbor, Vermilion, and Cleveland. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The forecast for north central Ohio. Tonight, mostly cloudy.
Well, how do you do there, Avon Point to Willowick?
He did it again.
I give thanks to Chaos Mox here for reminding me. So, yeah.
Hey, Kirsty, you
But this just goes to show that that special marine warning came out
As I was playing Wii!
Kingpin, are you doing that?
No.
Really?
Warning. For the following county, Holmes,
Shut up.
Ohio. The National Weather Service includes
Motherfucker.
warning for eastern Holmes County in northeastern
Jesus
Ohio
Christ.
until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:02 p.m. Eastern
Did you hear
Daylight
that
Time,
thunder?
Doppler radar indicated
Yeah.
storms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Where's the tornado?
Impact:
The tornado sirens are going off. Where's the f***ing tornado?
streets and underpasses as well as other drainage and
What the?
areas. Some locations.
Oh, that's a big combo.
Walnut Creek.
What?
Farmers found off their
Dakota, for f***'s sake, shut your fat f***ing mouth and let SBC Ashland record his damn flash flood warning on his radio. We are sick and tired of your high-pitched squealing all the f***ing time.
Mount Hope and Charm. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Be
Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday for the following county, Holmes, Ohio.
what?
If you scream one more goddamn time,
What?